If you're trying to switch back to a personal account on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, whether you're on mobile or desktop. This is super useful if you no longer need a professional profile and want your account to feel more personal and private again. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the X app, or go to x.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. On mobile, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. On desktop, you'll usually find the profile section in the left-hand side menu. Once you're in your account options, tap Edit Profile. This is where X lets you update your account details and professional settings. On the profile editing page, look for the option that says Edit Professional Profile. Tap that to open the professional account settings. From there, find and select Switch Account Type. This is the section that controls whether your profile is set up as a professional account or a personal one. Next, tap Switch to Personal Account. X will show you a final confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to change the account type. When that appears, select Yes, Switch. After that, your account will be changed back to a personal account. Once the switch is complete, you can go back to your profile and check that the professional features are no longer active. And that's it. You've successfully switched back to a personal account on X or Twitter. If this video saved you some time, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.